unscrew this and we'll get it ready and prepare it for the test. Okay. So just okay. So I'll need to come a little bit closer. Just with dots. Okay. Okay. So this particular laser is 7,000 watts, and it comes from laser cutter or engraver, Chinese make obviously, but we are going to test this on this laser power meter that I made, and we're going to check coating after that to see if it's any damage caused. So I'll just move it a little bit up and down, not to keep it in the same place. But we are shooting what? 6,500, 66, 67. 8. And I think that would be enough for the test. So we will just check now the coating, reflection, and we haven't caused any damage. If it was damage, you would see it on reflection of it. So we'll let it cool down and we'll perform the same test again. Okay. For this we need a bit more time to stabilize, but that's just, you know, simplex test for Mr. Jerry that says that my laser power meter can't even stand 433 millivolts according to his milliwatts here, according to his calculation, which is really good. I appreciate that. So I was just thinking to better show him the picture rather than let him calculate whatever. So it was around 6.8, and because now even the other side of heatsink is pretty hot, so I would have to wait longer to equalize that. But if I repeat the same test right now without waiting, I would expect actually maybe 100 milliwatts down or so, something like that, because we didn't wait properly to cool it down. But I'll just check how far away we are, and I'll just, maybe I'll wait just to get everything properly done. So we'll do another test. So if sensor is damaged, we wouldn't get even to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 maybe. But if it's not damaged, it's gonna just repeat the test again. So we're looking for 6,790 odd or 6,800 something. So I think we are good to repeat the test. I'll just lift this up because first I will point laser there. Okay, now we are doing second test. And as far as I'm concerned, we just repeated the test, and we're going to check the damage. And there you go. So we repeated 2 tests, Mr. Jerry, on Chinese laser, chunky heavy, 7,000, and we measured 6,800 something. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's really good, isn't it?